Hi guys, let's understand the proof for the trigonometric function sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. This is a very important formula if you're preparing for the JEE examination. This formula should be there in mind. So how we have to prove it? Let's try to prove this part. So let's start with the LHS part from here. We have sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So we know the formula for the sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, correct? Now I'll put it in the brackets here, and we'll expand this sin a minus b also. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, correct? Now if we just see sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and here also same thing, so this comes in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we'll do the square part of it. So this entire term can be squared, sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square, isn't it? Yes. Now we'll expand again, so it becomes the sin square a, we'll get the sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Sorry. Sin square b. Now we need to expand, we need to put everything in terms of the sine. So let's put the cos square b in terms of sin square b. So this can be written as sin square a multiplied by 1 minus sin square b, 1 minus sin square b minus this cos square a, also we can write it as 1 minus sin square b, 1 minus sin square a into sin square b, correct? Sin square b. And now we'll open the brackets. Now let's see what happens. Now here we'll open the bracket at sin square a minus, it becomes a sin square a sin square b, this becomes a sin square b minus, again we'll expand it here, so it becomes a sin square b plus it becomes a sin square b into sin square a. So if you just see here, the second and the fourth term both are same, so I think we can cancel it out, this part and this part. So we are left with sin square a minus sin square b. So this equates to sin square a minus sin square b, correct? Now, so this is what the proof for the very important formula for sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. So now let's understand where we can use this formula. Now if we have the question given below like sin 75 into sin 15, what will be the answer? So we can directly put this as sin 45 plus 30 into sine 45 minus 30. Correct. Now this can be written as, directly we can write it as sine square 45 minus sine square 30 sine square 30. So this will become equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, correct, which is nothing but 1 by 4 is the answer. So give a thumbs up guys, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be continue to discuss the solution for the different problems for the JEE Main. Thank you so much.